Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making these raw chocolate bunnies using only 3 ingredients. These bunnies are loaded with antioxidants, as well as minerals such as calcium, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, and potassium. And with only 5 grams of sugar per serve and almost 2 grams of fiber, they will make a great alternative to store-bought chocolates this Easter. The 3 ingredients you will need are raw cacao, melted coconut oil, and maple syrup or honey. We're going to start by blending the coconut oil and the cacao together. You can use either refined or unrefined coconut oil. Just know that if you do use unrefined, there's going to be a slight coconut flavor to it, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, just depending on your taste. Before I filmed this video, I also tried hand mixing all the ingredients, and I found that the honey or maple syrup I was using actually separated from the rest of the ingredients, so I would recommend blending if you are able to. Next, we are going to add our sweetener, so you can use either honey or maple syrup. I have done it with both and it worked well. You can use more or less than I use, depending on how sweet you would like it. Blend all your ingredients together, and then quickly pour them into whatever molds you'll be using. I had 4 of these bunny molds that I used, and then I poured the remainder into an empty ice cube tray. You want to get them in the freezer as soon as possible, and leave them for at least 30 minutes to set. Because I used coconut oil in this recipe, the chocolates will have to be stored in the fridge or freezer. If you didn't want to have to worry about keeping them in the fridge, you could use cacao butter instead of the coconut oil, just use twice the amount. So in this case, I would have used 200 grams instead of 100. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you do try this recipe out, let me know in the comments down below, and enjoy your long weekend. Bye guys!